This is another one of those cheap redneck fixes on this old bike. I'm going to actually start going over this a lot more with, to do the black, I'm going to use chassis saver, chemically clean it first. Chassis saver, stick on her like powder coat. I want to point out something. Said it was doing, turn on the key here. You notice pull the lever, release it, it's off, right? Pull it off, it's brake light, right? So what was going on, it was not, I'd have to take my hand and like push this forward and it would go off, right? So I'm thinking, the switch in here is dirty or corroded, so maybe, or it's stuck or gummed up. So I'm taking my favorite product. I like using, not the regular WD-40, I like using this one. Actually, it's a hell of a lot better. It's more money though. I buy it by the case off of Amazon. It seems to hold on there a lot longer too. I don't know what, I use it for everything, electrical connectors, the whole 9 yards. But that wasn't resolving the issue. So I realized, what's going on is this is not coming forward enough. And why that is, it's this lever wore out a little bit in here where this pin goes in, right? So the real fix, I guess, either way it's fixed. I mean, it's not going to make a difference. You can change the lever out, and then the hole that's inside of it is not wallowed out as much, and it would go snap back more, right? All I did is you can look in here, and it's not the most beautiful. You're not going to see this though. I mean, you push this back. You can see where I ground out in there. I don't know if you can see that. Let me try this again to be able to see it a little bit. Right in there, you see where I ground out in there? So in other words, this comes back further, just a little bit. I mean, you're not going to see that. I mean, it's not like I don't need to take it to a machine shop. I could have took the lever off and put it on a DA sander or something, but that's what the problem was. It doesn't go back far enough because this in here, the hole that goes through this has a little more play in it. So that's all you got to do. In other words, what it cost me? Nothing. But I used to be riding it, and I have to do this, like that, at the stoplight. And it gets a little colder out, it's even worse. So, but now it's fine. So with the engine vibrating, so even without the engine vibrating, it goes right off. So it's cool. That's why, the books don't tell you everything.